Come on in. So you want to see the Princess Grill suite? Come on in. I'll show you around. There are a couple of things very odd in this suite, but I think you'll enjoy overall. Let me just start by showing this, which is kind of the ex libris of the suite. Beautiful king size bed, just marvelous. And we've got this small living room area, so great. But let's look at or maybe just see immediately one of the odd things. Okay, so one of the odd things, it's got no European plugs. Absolutely no European plugs. So, being a British themed kind of cruise ship or ocean liner, let's say, it's got only the British plugs and the US plugs. I think this is because of the London to New York transatlantic crossings very frequently. And the other thing that it has, interesting, very modern, to say the least, it's got the USB fast charger, which I was just looking at the power, and it gives 7 watts power to provide and charge. Okay, but we've got some more oddities. Let's start by the entrance that you just got into. The thing, it's got a huge amount of storage. I've been now here for 3 days on this suite, Princess Grill, and it's got a lot of storage. So you can see here, quite a lot of storage. Allows to have some bags. I've got the trolleys in there. It's got then another one here where we've got the safe. We've got the life vests, and you've got some more drawers to put some of your stuff. And then you've got another double wardrobe size, which fits a lot of space. So you can hang a lot of things. And this is not the only space. It's also got some space here on the side. Let me show you. It's got this marvelous walk-in closet, which I split it with my wife. So my wife is using this side and I'm using the other side, which does give a neat arrangement. And it's also got some drawers here, which is very, very convenient. I don't know what we can tell about this suite, but yeah. Oh, another oddity, and you guys know I love my coffee. I always love my coffee. So it's got an espresso machine. It is a Illy espresso machine. And I've talked with my room attendant. Fantastic. He's a ninja. Yeah. Allow me to present to you Raymart. This guy is a ninja. The best cabin attendant I ever had in I don't know how many cruises. Sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. Welcome. And look at this. He stocked me with tons of capsules for getting my espresso. I've got my porcelain cups. That's very important. You know me and the porcelain cups. And they fill regularly with a lot of water. I've just told him, please, I consume a lot of water, so please do give me a lot of it. It's got some glasses here, a very important glass, the champagne glass, okay, the flute. And why do I say this is important? Because if you saw my previous video, you know that I've brought some alcohol in, and let me go down here. So I've got this bottle of Prosecco, which I opened. It was the one that was with the cabin as I got in. And I've got, you see, more water. And I brought another Veuve Clicquot from outside so that I can drink in it. Now, the disadvantage, so you see you've got the mini fridge here. It's got some sodas in there. The disadvantage is all this drinking alcohol that you bring, you can only drink it inside the cabin. So you have to pay attention for that. It's got a huge TV. I was really impressed. I was not expecting it somehow. It feels like I'm in 1920s, but then you've got this oddity of stuff that looks more like 2000 as we go. So, big TV. Let me switch it off so it doesn't get too much sound in it. The living room, very comfortable, and it's got the double bed, which can be configured as twins. So it's got bedsides on both sides. It's got the master switch over here. So that should be okay. When you are sleeping, it shuts completely all the lights, and then you just have these other lights that you'll have to switch independently between it. And for me, an area that is important is the vanity, we don't use it as a vanity. Fortunately, my wife uses the vanity in the bathroom, but I use it as my desk space. So as you can see, I'm all set up. Well, I just showed you all the power conversions and all that stuff. So I've got here my laptop where I'll be editing these videos. By the way, the viewers asked me to do this non-edited video, so I'm trying to do all of it in one take. I hope I don't forget anything. But if so, just put in the comments anything that I forgot to talk about, and I'll try to tell about it. Yeah. And well, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe it. I listen a lot to my viewers. You guys are what make this community live. And then we've got also the oh, hello, I'm recording, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay. My room attendant was just trying to come and bring. So this is what happens in this almost live kind of transmissions, but I'm not cutting it out. Okay. A lot of draw space. So perfect for keeping all my stuff here available. I love this touch. Always this flower. They put here the daily programs. Very old school because we don't have an app. There is no app to work, and that does bring a kind of a weird thing. For example, how do we control the vouchers for dinner and stuff like that? I'll talk about it on the episodes, but it's all paper based. Okay, a thing that everybody loves is the balcony. Well, I'm not sure I can show it. Okay, I'll have to overlap this with other footage because the light is programmed to be the camera fixed, so it will not change. But anyway, just a quick look, and I'll be overlapping this with footage with correct light. Yeah. But it's got a nice view, and it's got quite a large space. And the last thing that I'm missing, of course, is the restroom. And let's check out the restroom. Welcome. It's very private, and now you see the echo of the sound changing. So we've got here the vanity. Let me close the door to get space for the camera. So we've got the vanity here. We've got space to put all our stuff. So I've got here my toothbrush, my shaving. Yeah, I know, I also shave. And I will need to shave. I'm going to kick you guys out of the cabin soon enough because I need to shave. Today is formal night, and I need to put the tags and all that stuff. And I've got to get rid of some of this beard over here. Okay, so I always bring some emergency medical stuff, first aid stuff. It's got more space, as you can see. I'm not going to demo that. And it's got a bathtub. So the bathtub, it's also got the clothes liners to bring it up. By the way, the Princess Grill doesn't have any laundry, but you can wash, you can dry stuff there. My wife has been having a heck of a time to try to get some laundry time to do things. So all in all, very simple. You've got a shaving power supply over here as well. So you should be all good. Let me see what else did I forget. I think I didn't forget anything. Another thing that is important is the storage. So you'll put your bags under. Large bags, it didn't allow. So if you have big suitcases, you might not fit in. In that case, what happened with me is I've got here, you see, put here my biggest suitcase because it didn't fit under the bed, sorry. And that's it. And with this, guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tour. And now get out of the room. Get out of the room. I need to change and get on my tuxedo. See you over there. Okay, and I'll talk to you next episode. Probably dress code. Thank you, guys. You are welcome, but off.